basic CSS syntax. What is basic CSS syntax? I don't know, but I will tell you in that video. Okay, and I will cover fourth part of HTML. It is my fifth part, and I hope you can fourth part, and I hope you can enjoy this part also. And you can enjoy it. Please like that video, share off, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this series. Okay, so first of all, see my first video, then come to second, third, and fourth. Okay, so now let's start the video of the basic CSS syntax. So I will tell you the basic CSS syntax that I will be tell you in my intro. So first of all, I will be in next class. I will tell you like that. So I will be erase that. So I will not work, then save. So it is not coming like that. Then save, then refresh. So in this class, I will telling you I will tell you as basic CSS syntax. In this video, I will be made a CSS file also and style the things on CSS file. So get ready for that video. And here I will write, because my topic is basic CSS syntax. So here I will be writing. So it is coming like that. Here I will write H1. First of all, here you can write basic CSS syntax. Only I will be use HTML file on here to write that. So I will make new file, and in that file will be made in that HTML file will be made on desktop. You can also style the CSS file. You can also make on desktop. It is very important. Okay, you can not make it, so it is not come. So here I will style the CSS. So here you can, first of all, here you can write H1, color should be blue. Nothing will be do. Why? Because here I will be link the file like link. It is very important it is very important to link the file to style those CSS. So you can write, you can style anything, style those CSS file. It is nothing will be do. So then here I will write H1, then colors will be blue, then save, then refresh. So it is not coming. Why? So I will see you. So I will be enter and enter, and here I will be go and erase it, and here I go and erase that, then save, and that. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it easily. So now, first of all, that things are coming like that. So now, here you can give a background, but this background is easily as come on that. So here I will give background, then save, then refresh. So background is coming on that text. So I will not give a background. Okay. So I will be made a beautiful thing for you. So first of all, I will go here, save, refresh. So nothing will do. And first of all, here colors will be FF. Here I will go background. So will be 0, then save, then refresh. So here we can see it. That thing is still coming like that. But first of all, I will text align should be center, padding should be 200 pixels, and then save, refresh. So here we can see it. ELD is coming like that. Then I go here. Here I will write font family, Rimon Sirat, comma, and save, refresh. So it is coming like that. So now here it is coming like that, but it is very small. So here I will write font size will be 100 pixels, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it. So it is coming like that. Easily, it is a basic CSS syntax. And it is a very different video, because I will be styling thing on index.html file. In that video, I will be made 2 files and tell you how to style it and how to write it. It is a very different video, and I will also be coming a different videos. It is please wait for my 5th video of HTML. And you hope you can enjoy this class, and my many videos coming, so you can also will be enjoy that class also. So you can enjoy this class. So please like that video. Not like it, please like, okay? So please subscribe the video. You have enjoyed the video, that you can like, but you can not like, okay? Not a problem, okay? So I hope you enjoy this class. Like that video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class of 5th class of CSS. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.